the wait is finally over. After years of anticipation, Toyota has unveiled the all-new 2025 Toyota 4Runner, and it's everything we hoped for and more. Fully redesigned from the ground up, the 4Runner is back tougher, smarter, and more capable than ever. Whether you're crawling over rocks, blazing trails, or cruising through the city, this is the SUV that's built for whatever life throws your way. Let's start with the design. The 2025 4Runner carries an aggressive, modern aesthetic while still honoring the rugged DNA that made it a legend. The bold front grille, squared-off stance, and pronounced wheel arches give it an unmistakable presence on and off the road. LED headlights and taillights come standard, while trims like the TRD Pro and Trailhunter take things up a notch with exclusive off-road bumpers, roof racks, and skid plates. It's not just about looking tough, it's built to be. Under the hood, Toyota has made some major moves. The 4Runner now rides on the TNGA-F platform, shared with the Tundra, Sequoia, and Land Cruiser. This body-on-frame setup is engineered for serious off-roading, better ride quality, and enhanced structural rigidity. And here's the big news, the V6 is gone. In its place is a turbocharged 2.4-liter I-Force engine, producing up to 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, and for the first time ever, there's a hybrid option. The I-Force Max Hybrid cranks out a combined 326 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 465 pound-feet of torque. That's more power, more efficiency, and more capability than ever before. Step inside and you'll notice the transformation is just as dramatic. The 2025 4Runner boasts a refined, tech-forward cabin loaded with modern features. Depending on the trim, you'll get a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a massive 14-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and over-the-air software updates. Toyota's latest infotainment system is smoother and smarter than ever, while available features like a 14-speaker JBL audio system and panoramic moonroof elevate the driving experience. And don't worry, physical buttons are still here where you need them because sometimes simplicity just makes sense. So whether you're a weekend warrior, an off-road enthusiast, or just someone looking for a bold new SUV with serious presence and capability, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner has raised the bar. It's a modern legend reborn, and it's ready for the road ahead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you go for the hybrid or stick with the gas version? Let us know.